guys, and today we will be doing a new experiment with my mom. So you need seven glass cups and 6 paper towels and 4 coloring and a measuring cup. And so get the measuring cup and pour it in water and pour it in the cups. And then you put a few the coloring in the cups. I'll do blue first.
Just the drops, alright?
And I'm gonna put the red one on the second one.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put the yellow one on the third one.
That's it.
Looks like it's mixed with the red. And I'm gonna put the green one on the fourth one. And then I'm gonna get 2 sticks and mix it.
And right in the bottom.
And now I'm gonna do the blue and red.
It looks like there's another extra experiment. Looks like there is a tornado in here, ladies and gentlemen. You see it? Alright. And now?
And now you're gonna get 6 paper towels and fold it horizontal first. And then put it horizontal again. And then fold it for the corner. And then it'll make like this, and then you do it. And once you did all that, you're gonna put 3 cups between the cups.
Gonna help folding the paper towels.
And you want to leave those 3 cups empty, so because it's
Have to open it like that.
oh.
Yeah.
You didn't put the food coloring in there?
No, you don't need it in the middle.
And then you do it.
Open it.
Okay, once you did all that, you wait and let the paper towel absorb and put it in the empty cups. So what's up guys, and today was the next day. And look how the empty bottles were filled up because the paper towel absorbed and put it into the empty cups. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll guys see you in the next video. Peace!